Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to see some basic numericals on derivatives. So we are going to find dy by dx, that is derivative of y with respect to x for different functions. Okay, so let's begin. So our first function is y is equal to x raised to 5 and we have to find dy by dx. That is, we can write d by dx of x raised to 5, that is derivative of x raised to 5. As we know that derivative of x raised to n is n x raised to n minus 1. So here derivative of x raised to 5 will be 5x raised to 5 minus 1, that is it will be equal to 5x raised to 4. So dy by dx in this case is 5x raised to 4. Okay. Our second function is y is equal to x raised to 3 by 2. So same. So d by dx of y means this function x raised to 3 by 2. So it is 3 by 2 x raised to 3 by 2 minus 1. So 3 by 2 minus 1 is 3 minus 2 upon 2, that is 1 by 2. So we can write it is equal to 3 by 2 x raised to 1 by 2. So this is our derivative of y is equal to x raised to 3 by 2. Okay. Now our next function is y is equal to log of x plus 8. So dy by dx will be d by dx of this log of x plus 8. Now as we know that derivative of log x is 1 upon x. So derivative of log x plus 8 will be 1 upon x plus 8. So this is dy by dx for this function. Okay. Our next function is y is equal to 25 e raised to x. Now we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. So we can write dy by dx. So as 25 is constant, it will be taken outside. So it is 25 d by dx of e raised to x. So as we know that derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. So it will be 25 as it is and e raised to x. So that is dy by dx of this function. Okay. So our next function is y is equal to 5 raised to something. So it is a raised to x. Okay. So dy by dx, it is equal to d by dx of 5 raised to 3x plus 4. So as we know that derivative of a raised to x is a raised to x log of a. So in this case our a is 5. Okay. So we can write 5 raised to 3x plus 4 log of 5. Okay. And as we have one function, that is 3x plus 4. So according to chain rule, we have to find derivative of this function also. So derivative of 3x plus 4 will be 3 as it is. As derivative of 3x is 3 and 4 is 0. So directly we have written it as 3. So it is 3 times 5 raised to 3x plus 4 into log of 5. Okay. And our last function is y is equal to x raised to root of x. So now we can write root x as x into x raised to 1 by 2. Okay. So root and 1 by 2 is one and the same. Now we can add this. So here nothing means 1. So we can write it is x raised to 1 plus 1 by 2. So it will be 2 plus 1 by 2. So 2 plus 1 by 2 is x raised to 3 by 2. And we have seen here that x raised to 3 by 2 is 3 by 2 x raised to half. So we can directly write dy by dx of this function is 3 by 2 x raised to 1 half. Otherwise we can also solve it further. Okay, so our next function is y is equal to sine 4x. So as we know that derivative of sine x is cos x, so dy by dx, it will be d by dx of sine 4x. Okay, so it will be cos 4x, and by chain rule we have to take derivative of this function also, because here it is 4x not x. So derivative of 4x, so we can write it as again d by dx of 4x. Okay, so we can get cos 4x, and derivative of 4x is 4. So we can write it as 4 times cos 4x is derivative of this function. Okay, so our next function is y is equal to cos 5x plus c. So as we know that derivative of cos x is minus sin x. Okay, so we'll write that. So dy by dx, it will be dy dx of cos 5x plus 6. So derivative of cos is minus sin, so minus sin 5x plus 6, and according to chain rule derivative of this function, so we can write d by dx of this 5x plus 6. So we can get d by dx of 5x plus 6 as 5. So we can write it as minus sin 5x plus 6 into this is 5. So this is dy by dx of this function. Okay, so our next function is this, y is equal to x square plus 2 raised to x minus 1. So dy by dx, it will be d by dx of x square plus 2 raised to x minus 1. Now we have two functions in addition, so we can find separate derivative of this and this. So derivative of x square is nx raised to n minus 1. So here n is 2, so 2x raised to 2 minus 1 plus derivative of a raised to x. So a raised to x is a raised to x log of a, that is 2 raised to x log of 2, and constant function derivative is 0. So we can write 2x plus 2 raised to x log of 2. So this is derivative of this function. Okay, so our next function is y is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So now we can write this 1 by x square as x raised to minus 2. So we can write this as x square plus x raised to minus 2. Now we know derivative of x raised to n is nx raised to n minus 1. So we can apply for both. So what we can write is dy by dx is equal to d by dx of this function x square plus x raised to minus 2. So x square means 2 raised to, so 2x raised to 2 minus 1 plus this will be minus 2 x raised to minus 2 plus 1. Okay, so this will be 2x minus 2x raised to minus 1. Okay, so this is derivative of this function dy by dx. Okay,